Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here. In this video, we're going to ask ChatGPT this question: how do I sort a dictionary by value? And we're going to reference Python, so it gives us the Python code. And then we're going to take that response from OpenAI or ChatGPT and put it into Python and see if this actually makes sense and if it works. So before I press this enter button, if you see that I'm under 1,000 subs below, hit the subscribe button. Just trying to get to 1,000 subs as soon as possible. So let me hit this enter button right now. Let's see what it tells us. It says you can use the sorted function with the key parameter to set a lambda function that returns the value from the dictionary. Here's an example. My dictionary is equal to A is 3, B is 1, C is 2. Sorted dict equals dict sorted minus items dot key lambda item 1. You can also use the collections by order and dict sorted. Okay, let's try this one first. Let's see if this actually prints that out. I have a feeling it does because this is pretty simple. And what we get here, it's going to give us BCA, which is BCA. So why don't we put a couple more items in here. We'll say D is 7. Right. And then we'll say R. Can we even do it like this? It's 9. Does that break it? It's going to be B is 1, C is 2, A is 3, D is 7, R is 9. And let's do one more here. And we're going to do E is 27. Does it put E at the end? It does. Okay, yeah. Okay, it makes sense. This totally works. We can try this one. It's going to make me import anything? Probably not. BCA. Yep. Okay, makes sense. Yeah, so you can use OpenAI and ChatGPT pretty easily to do these sorts of functions. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and have a great day.